I work for the University of Minnesota Extension, and I am the Associate Program Director in Health and Nutrition. Extension is about bridging community wisdom with university resources to solve the biggest grand challenges and problems of today. And one of the areas that I was always interested in was kids' health and simultaneously the health and vitality of farmers and rural communities. I was hired into Extension to work on Farm to School. And Farm to School is making sure that kids have access to healthy, locally grown foods and that farmers have access to markets for the locally grown foods that they're selling and growing. At a statewide level, I serve as the Minnesota core partner for the National Farm to School Network, and I also coordinate our state's Farm to School leadership team. We're focused on the statewide systems and policies and practices that make it easier or not so easy to do farm to school. The USDA Farm to School census has shown that over 50% of school districts in our state now participate in farm to school practices. In 2006, the early data we had was that about 10 to 12 school districts in our state were participating. And so we've seen this pretty amazing exponential curve up of schools participating over the last 10 to 12 years. Farm to school is a win-win. So kids are getting healthier food and they're learning about where food comes from and learning to cook and learning to garden. And farmers are getting a reliable market for the foods that they're growing. That's what the School of Public Health allowed me to do, is build networks and relationships that frankly have carried me into my professional career. So many of the relationships I developed as a graduate student are what have allowed me really to be as successful as I am today.